Hi guys, hope you're all doing well and keeping safe. So today I'm going to talk about Milwaukee new product launch under PPE, which is Milwaukee respirators. So normally this dust particles, smoke, aerosols kind of things are the most insidious things in the working environment because it's almost invisible in the air we breathe. So wearing respirators is therefore a part of everyday life in all the working environment. The respiratory protective function is standardized according to EN 149 and it has been rated into 3 classes, which is FFP1, FFP2 and FFP3. For each task, we require a specific protection. So it's important to know what is your customer trade and what is your customer application, and then we should suggest what respirators they should use. So Milwaukee has launched 3 types of disposable respirators. One is FFP2 respirator with valve, and it is foldable one. And there is FFP2 respirators with valve, and then there is FFP3 respirators with valve. So FFP2 respirator is having 94% filter efficiency, and FFP3 is having 99% filtering efficiency, including silica and asbestos. So the current issues users are facing are the heat buildup within the mask and the fogging on the glasses. So in Milwaukee, we have the one-way walk, avoid fogging, and you will get better heat dissipation. And another thing, respirator straps are uncomfortable if you're wearing it for extended time. So here, we came up with the adjustable strap design. So once you wear it, it is very easy to adjust as per your size. And you see there is no fogging coming on my glasses because of the exhalation valve which we talk about. P2 respirators with valve, the foldable design is coming in a pack of 15, and you can see it has been intuitively wrapped. P2 with foldable one, we have the one-way valve which is fog-free and easy breathing you will get, and we have the anti-clogging inner layer, stay cool all the day long. And we have the flexible aluminum nose bridge, we have the comfortable adjustable straps, and once you're coming to FFP2, the non-foldable one, again you can see we got the adjustable strap design, we got the extra line of comfort inside, and one-way exhalation valve. It will help again for the anti-fogging and for the better heat dispersion. And if talking about the FFP3, which is 99% filtering efficiency, mainly for asbestos and silica, so it has got a flexible aluminum nose bridge with inner half-formed gasket for more comfort. Okay, so we spoke about Milwaukee FFP2 and FFP3 respirators. Now we'll talk about Milwaukee premium face covering. I'll show you that. Basically, there is 2 sizes which are available, one small, medium and large XL. So in one pack there are 3 pieces are coming. Performance face covering are made with 3 layers of soft and breathable material, same like what we do in the sports shirt. So the inner layer is the moisture wicking one, which will keep the mask fresh and dry even after hours of wearing it. Second layer gives you a structured fit design, and your chin is also fully covered. The final third layer is water repellent, which will keep you dry even if it is raining outside. The Milwaukee face covering is having the adjustable ear loop to avoid the pressure behind the ear. So you can see, once you wear it, it's easy to adjust it. So here you have the adjustable nose clip. I'm wearing the glasses, you can see no fog is building up. And the important thing compared to the normal ones is you can see the separate chin covering. You don't need to adjust the mask all the time. This is a really good chin protection you are getting with the Milwaukee Performance Face Covering Mask. So thanks for your time. So we'll see you next time. Till then, stay safe, stay productive.